Hey, this is Adam McAllister from McAllister Myers, and once again, we're not talking real estate. We're out promoting our locally owned and locally operated York area businesses. And today, we're in the world famous Central Market here in downtown York, and we're at one of the mainstays, the anchors of this corner of Central Market, Pepper's Grill. And here we're today with
Steve Walker.
Steve, who's holding down Pepper's Grill. How long have you guys been here in this location?
About 4.5 years now. Same location. When we got here, the stand was a little bit smaller, and we wanted to put our little spin on it. So after a couple years, we went ahead and built out the space a little bit, put our own little touch on it. New countertops, new plexiglass. Did all this ourselves. Gives us a little bit more space back here to work with.
Now, unfortunately, we just missed it by a few seconds because we were just wrapping up here on this Tuesday. What do you have wrapped in your hand?
These are a couple of our York famous cheesesteak, voted best in York. Just the most delicious thing. A lot of people have told us they've had it around here.
So if you like cheesesteaks, what else is on the menu? Because your menu's a little, I mean, because you have people go, I want a burger, I want a sandwich.
I'll tell you what
do we got?
Pretty much we do everything from scratch around here. Now this is our fresh roast pork. We do this, so usually we use a beer from Liquid Hero, a dark beer, and we roast it for about 6 hours, slow roast ourselves with our own house spice rub. And you can see how it's just juicy and tender right there. It melts in your mouth.
And quite honestly, if you're marinating anything from Liquid Hero, I'm sold. So you're in.
So the beer makes it right here.
Oh, you got to check this out.
All of our mac and cheese is homemade mac too. It's nice and gooey and creamy and just sticks to your ribs.
And now here's the thing with their mac and cheese. It's not just a side item. You guys actually put that on top of things.
Oh yeah. We have a burger called Mr. Anderson. It's a burger with pie with mac and cheese. We also have a herb monster, which is our bacon steak, mac and cheese, sauce, more cheese, any veggies you want. It's a monster for sure.
Now, yeah, and let's talk about some of the unique items. I mean, because again, they're not just your standalone homemade burgers. I mean, we're talking some unique recipes you've got.
So right here we have our grilled pork and mac. It's our house roast pork, just like I showed you there, and our homemade mac. We put it on grilled Italian bread, nice thick Italian bread, buttery, crispy outside, nice gooey warm center. A lot of people wouldn't think that those things would go together, but it's a crowd favorite. You'd have to try it and find out for yourself. Right here is one of our signature cheesesteaks. As you can see, we cut the bun like a boat so nothing falls out each end. You take it out. I don't cut them in half. You pick it up and go for it. And over here is something that's well disputed, but one of a kind. You won't find anything like this anywhere else. It's our maple bacon cinnamon roll. We turned it into a breakfast sandwich called the 8th Deadly Sin, aptly named by a 12-year-old that we had a sandwich naming contest.
And I can tell you, my daughter, when she's in town, loves that. That is one of her go-tos.
Oh, it's incredible. It's that sweet, savory, just that salty, sweet goodness that you look for. And if fried egg, melted cheese, that cream cheese icing on top just really does it right.
And what else? And I see, is this breakfast?
This is our favorite breakfast. Yeah, any eggs any way you want them. Bacon or sausage, our fresh skillet potatoes we do in cast iron because nothing does potatoes like cast iron. Trust me on that. And we use our signature potato seasoning on those as well. Whatever buttery toast you'd like also.
And the thing I can tell you too is if you like a little kick with your meat, your Jamaican jerk,
oh yeah,
it'll smack you in the face.
Yeah, that's authentic Jamaican jerk. Some good friends of ours make that. They're from the island and they know what they're doing for sure.
Very nice. So for those that have not gotten to Pepper's Grill, now they know some of the food you have. Yeah. What else should they know about Pepper's?
Well, we just started this business on a whim. We were never restaurateurs. I just had a passion for cooking. My wife had a passion for cooking, and we said, hey, we know that we're good at something. Let's go ahead and do it, try it out, and see what the people think about us. And I think we're here to stay.
Very nice. And when can they come to Pepper's?
Peppers is open in the core market hours, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. But we're also open Friday for lunch only from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And you can enter right through Cherry Lane doors.
Very nice. Now, if they want to call ahead for an order and pick it up, so let's say they can't make it to Central Market, but like, hey, I'm going to be nearby and let me swing in and grab something. Can they call you ahead of time?
Absolutely. My phone number is 757-355-1742, and that will dial directly to Pepper's Grill.
And you can also check these guys out on Facebook.
Yes, please do. Facebook, Pepper's Grill at Central Market.
There you go. So for Steve and the entire crew at Pepper's, you got to come down here if you haven't done so yet. Trust me, you're going to love the food. come hungry because it's fantastic. So the entire crew at Pepper's,
yes, sir.
Thank you so much,
brother.
Thank
you very much.
We appreciate it. This has been Adam McAllister from McAllister Myers. McAllister Myers, connecting our community through real estate.